Hi, welcome to Laura's Pandora. Today I'm going to show you how I made this crocheted Halloween garland. So I got pretty thick wire, and you can find this wire at Joann's in the jewelry section, I believe, and some floral wire and some clippers, and then you'll want this kind of yarn. It's like semi-fuzzy. Okay, so first you're going to wire the length of garland that you want, and I did about 4.5 feet, not a sharp point. Then you take the floral wire and you wrap it in a loop and then wrap it around and just create a bunch of branches on the main line. Wire a bunch of branches. Okay, then you're going to single crochet, start crocheting the length of the main wire. Okay, then you're going to start crocheting with the wire in between each stitch. Then once you get to a branch, you're going to stop and you're going to single crochet to the length of the wire, the branched wire. Then of course you're going to crochet back down with the wire in each stitch. Then you'll continue on the main line, the main crocheted line, until you get to another branch. Then you'll single crochet the length of that branch, crochet back down to the main line with the wire in between, and then so on and so forth, till you have the wire completely covered and crocheted. Tie it off and hide the knot and the leftover string part. Okay, then you could leave it like this, or what I wanted it to have a little bit more stiffness and some glitter. So you're going to water down some Elmer's glue, about half and half glue and water. Then you're going to brush this glue onto the garland and then glitter it. Let that dry, turn it over, and repeat the process. Glue, glitter, dry. Then you're going to shake it quite a bit to get all the loose glue, the loose glitter off of it. So you could also leave the garland like this. Then I found these really cute decorative balls at Hobby Lobby, and I thought, oh my goodness, I'm going to glue that to the garland. So you hot glue, you can put, groups of 3, groups of 2, and then 1, so it looks all kind of natural looking. That's it. That's how I made this cute, pretty simple, pretty easy garland. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like this. And happy Halloween!